Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I want to do a little unboxing. Here is a little Tiffany's box, and if you have followed my channel for a while, you probably know what this is. It is sort of a replacement, but also not quite a replacement, so you will soon find out what I mean by that. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So I'm going to undo the ribbon to reveal the beautiful Tiffany box. And here is the dust bag. And inside we have, here it is. Now, if you follow my channel, you will know that I previously owned this beautiful piece bracelet, but this is actually the necklace. And part of the reason why I decided to purchase the necklace this time rather than replacing the bracelet is just because I was really worried about losing the bracelet again. And I'm hoping that because I have this in necklace form now, I won't be losing it. So fingers crossed that I don't lose this item. I would be devastated to lose it again. And the sales associate did try to sell me on the diamond version of this, and I'll try to insert some photos of that. And I have to say the diamond version is absolutely beautiful. There are two sizes of that one, so it does come in this size, which is the smaller piece, and it has diamonds all over it. And there's a piece that's actually a little bit larger that also has diamonds in it. This price without the diamonds was $700 before tax. And the smaller one with diamonds, I think she quoted me, it was $3,000. And quite honestly, for such a small necklace, I really couldn't justify spending $3,000 on that. Also, I will say that the diamond version, while absolutely stunning, I kind of don't think it was really my style. I do think it was really beautiful, but because the piece is actually quite small and the diamonds surrounding it are so teeny tiny, it does add this really gorgeous sparkle, but it almost sort of looks like glitter from far away. And because of that, it felt, I don't want to say childish, but maybe just not quite my style for someone of my age. So between the price and just kind of the way that it looked, I didn't really think that the diamond one was for me. I do think if the price was a little bit less, I would have considered it maybe a little bit more. Honestly, for $3,000, I'd much rather put that towards something else, maybe from Cartier or from Van Cleef. And let me just zoom out a little bit so you guys can see and get a better feel for the size of this. It's very, very dainty, and I do love it a lot. I will say that my experience with Tiffany's just, I wouldn't say it was bad. It certainly wasn't bad by any means, but I just don't think the level of customer care I've had there has been as good has been as good as places like Cartier and Van Cleef. And I certainly don't say that to sound bougie by any means, or I'm not saying that to sound snobby or that I'm better than Tiffany's. That is absolutely not the case. But I did notice that the level of customer service just felt slightly more impersonal versus the care that I received at both Van Cleef and Cartier. And I can see that because I had purchased these two items within the past few years. And so, just comparing the experiences back to back from Cartier to Van Cleef to Tiffany's, I do just sort of feel that, I don't know if it's just because their collections are huge and they have so much inventory and they just have like many more sales associates. Like the store in San Francisco, the Tiffany store in San Francisco is gigantic. It's 2 stories and there's just a lot of people working there and there's a lot of people going through there, versus the Cartier and Van Cleef stores in San Francisco are so much smaller and they feel much more intimate. And I just feel like the level of care I've received from both of those places was just a little bit higher. So that's just my 2 cents. If you guys have customer service experience at Tiffany as well as Cartier and Van Cleef, let me know what your thoughts are on this. Like, I don't know if I'm just being crazy or if this is just, maybe it was just a one-off, but that was just my experience overall. Again, I think a part of it was just because the sales associate really did try to upsell me on the diamond version, and I just didn't really feel like the price justified what you were getting for it. So, but I did manage to cross this off my list. I was on the fence about repurchasing this because I was terrified of losing it for the second time, but now that I got the necklace version, I'm hoping that this will be safe and sound. And the last thing that I wanted to tell you guys really quickly was I did wait for a promo on my Amex. Now, with my Amex Platinum card, they often send me promos on things. I didn't get any money off of this. I did pay the full $700 plus tax, but the Amex offer on my credit card was that I would get 2 times the points on this purchase. And I think it's up to 10,000 points, but I'm obviously not going to spend that much at Tiffany's right now. So I waited for a promo, and so I was able to take advantage of that. And I do travel a lot, and I certainly maximize my Amex points for travel and upgrades and those kinds of things. So that will definitely come in handy for me in the future. So even though I didn't actually save any money, I was still really happy that I waited to purchase this until I got an Amex promo for it. So that is the story of getting this necklace. And I will also show you guys some photos of me wearing it. And oh, and let me just do like some quick measurements. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions and I will do my best to respond. And if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel, I would really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.